Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is how to solve quant questions without pen and paper. Let me tell you, if you're able to solve quant questions without pen and paper, I'm not saying all can be solved, but quite a few and most of them can be solved. If you're able to solve the quant question without pen and paper, you will be not only be really fast, but high chance that you'll be accurate. You will be fast because the biggest time waster when people do with pen and paper is writing. If you avoid that writing, the chances are you'll be able to solve it faster. Secondly, when you start writing, you tend to calculate a lot, you try to write equations, and that wastes a lot of time. If you solve mentally, you tend to solve it logically, which means that you may end up avoiding a lot of calculations. Calculation is the biggest source for mistakes for a lot of students. So if you avoid calculation and can think of logically how to solve, there's a chance that your accuracy will improve. I remember there was once a student of mine who had done really well in all con exam. He had not done well in the previous set of exam, but he did well in the exam. So when I talked to him regarding how did his score improve, what really helped. He said, told me that the logical methods definitely helped him to improve because when you think logically on a sum, you can't go wrong because if you derive a sum logically, this is the answer, is logic followed. There is no calculation involved. So it is unlikely to go wrong when you logically do. But when you do mathematically, there are a lot of chances that you may go wrong and you waste a lot of time. So in that case, it's important that you try to understand, how to go about solving logically. That will help you to solve without pen and paper. Now, what is the process of learning how to solve without pen and paper? For every con question that you come across, try and look at the question without pen and paper. At least for 3 to 4 minutes, don't use a pen. Just read the question and try to solve. Try to solve mentally. Initially, you will not get any answers mentally. But over a period of time, as and when you keep trying it, you will slowly develop the knack of using the options or substituting the values or some other method that will help you to solve without pen and paper. So when you're forced to do something, you will try to do it. Like when you're forced to put in the water, thrown in the water, you'll try to swim even if you don't know to swim. And over a period of time, you learn. Same is with this. Force yourself to solve without pen and paper. Don't use a pen. And over a period of time, as and when you practice, you will tend to improve on your methods. Slow process, but it definitely will help you improve your scores. Hope that helps. Thank you.